Hello friends, this is Adhika Vodare from Extra Coding YouTube channel. So friends, in today's video, we're gonna learn about center method. So here, I'll make a new file, tut15.py, okay? And here, I'll make a variable. So here, let's write username, and here, we will write extra, okay? And now we will write, let's print here, print username dot center. Here let's write 6, and here I will pass a special character. Okay, let me show it to you, then I will tell you what is it doing here. So see, here it has put two hash sign, right? One before extra and one after extra. So what is it doing here? As you can see, there are 4 characters in extra, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, and here the first value I have passed is 6, right? And the second value I passed a special character which it has used here, as you can see. So there are 4 characters in extra and I have passed 6 as the value, as the first value. So it has put one hash sign before and one hash sign after the string, to make the length of string to be 6. As you can see here, if we count it with hash, it is making 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So now the length of my string is 6. Okay, now let me put 8 here. Okay, as you can see, it has put 2 hash sign after extra and 2 hash sign before extra, right? So you might be noticing one thing, that in both of these cases our string is in the center, right? That's what center method does. Now what if we pass here 7? You can see that it has put 2 hash signs before extra and 1 hash sign after extra, right? Now let's write here 5. So it has written 1 hash sign before extra, and as you can see here, now the length of my string is 5. Okay, so it won't write anything after extra. Okay, so that's clear that if center method cannot balance the signs, it will put that extra sign which is getting extra on the left hand side. Okay, as you can see here also it put extra sign on the left hand side, right? And here also there was only one sign, that's why it put on the left hand side, as you can see here. So that's what center method do. And it does not mean that we have to pass only special character here only. If you want to pass, suppose s, see, s is in the starting also, and it is not in the end because I have entered here 5. If you want, you can enter here 6 or 8 or anything you want. As you can see here, s is in the starting and in the end as well, right? If we write here hello, okay, so now if we will run it, see, it has written s here. Now you might be thinking that why it has added the s in the last. It's just because it tries to balance the string. Okay, so you will see that in even length words such as extra, let me change this s to be hash so that it is more clear to you. Like even length word like extra, it has four letters. As you can see, it will add in the starting. Okay, it will add in the starting, but in odd length words like hello, it will add in the end. It's just because it tries to balance the string. Okay, that's what center method do. Okay, so right, that's it for today's video. See you soon in my next video, guys. Okay, thank you for being with me till the end of the session.